we would recommend it. Our family who helped us with the house, our retired relatives and aunts and uncles with zero construction experience, helped build this house. We're proud of that. They are proud of that. It was a special family experience, really, that was enabled by working with Build Smart. So when we had the vision of building a home and we started designing it ourselves, what we found that was really exciting is that to work with Build Smart, we didn't need to start over with our design. We didn't need to have some sort of special, architectural input necessarily. It is so similar to your typical code built house, just with a few detail changes that Build Smart helps you consider. We were able to take the design and the plans that we had for this home and just work to deliver them in the Build Smart sort of system. So it doesn't take special training or architectural detailing to work with this system. And so really we have already recommended it to family members, friends, and other companies who have an interest in building environmentally friendly homes or buildings, and just let them know, like, hey, you can do it with this. Even if you're 75% of the way through your design, you can speak with Build Smart, learn about their product, and figure out how to quickly adapt your plans to use the Build Smart system.